Hi friends, how are you all? I hope your people are pretty fine and good. God bless you. Always be happy in your life. Always be keep smile. So dear friends and dear subscribers, today you will see in this video very beautiful and very stylish. You will see unique, modern, plain and printed, stylish girls nail art ideas. Very attractive and very stylish. You will see unique 40 plus modern girls nail art ideas. So if you like my videos, so viewers, please share my videos with your friends, family members and social media accounts. Dear viewers, do you have new ideas of new or unique girls nail art ideas? So viewers, please tell me in the comment section. To tell me how was my video. So I always try to bring modern girls nail art ideas. So there's a huge variety of designs in this video. So these are all my favorite collections that I am gonna share with you in this videos. Marvelous and stylish. You will see stylish girls nail art ideas. So I have uploaded nail art, nail polish and modern girls nail cutting designs. So dear friends and dear subscribers, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. So guys, after clicking the bell icon, you will get notifications of all of my videos and you will never miss any videos and any collection on my channel. You will see unique summer seasons nail art, winter seasons nail art, negative space nail art, minimal statement nail art, manicure nail art ideas. So lovely viewers, please visit my YouTube channel, check the all videos, check the playlist videos and get amazing ideas of very stylish, beautiful modern girls nail cutting designs. So there's a huge variety of designs in these videos. These are all my favorite collections that I am gonna share with you in these videos. Modern girls nail art with fingering designs. So lovely viewers, I hope you like my videos friends. I hope you enjoy my videos. So dear viewers, thank you so much guys for visit my YouTube channel, subscribe my channel and watch my videos. I will meet you in next video. So take care friends. Allah Hafiz.